PowerView has many different ways to slice and dice the data. Filters remove all but the data I want to focus on. To filter data in PowerView, I can use Filter Pane filters, slicers, and cross filters. This video covers Filter Pane filters. Let's start by opening the Filters area. I do this by selecting from the PowerView ribbon or by hovering over a visualization and clicking the Filters icon. Filters that I create here are saved with my report. I can create view-level filters and visualization-level filters. View-level filters are applied to the entire PowerView sheet. If this Excel file contains other PowerView sheets, they aren't affected by filters I add here. I create a view-level filter by dragging over a field or right-clicking a field and choosing Add to View Filter. When I drag over Season and filter for Winter, all related visualizations in this view are filtered for winter. My pie chart and matrix now show only winter sports. But my population chart is unchanged since the data displayed is not impacted by season. Visualization level filters are applied to only the selected chart or table or matrix or card. Watch the label change based on which visualization I select. And when I first open the visualization level pane, it's already populated with the fields from the visualization. I've already filtered the country name field to include country regions that have won medals at the Winter Games. PowerView displays the names and the total number of country regions selected. But my population chart is still crowded with many country regions, and the significant difference between a few country regions with large populations makes it hard to read and select the other bars in the chart. So I'll select a visualization level filter on the population chart. I'll filter out the largest country regions and the small miscellaneous groups the population dataset contains. I first try using the slider to filter by population. It's not giving me the precision I need, so I switch to the advanced filter. I use the advanced filter to select country regions with more than 100,000 and less than 30 million people. Now I no longer have one tall bar and lots of bars that are too flat to be meaningful. I can use this chart as a filter as well. By clicking individual bars, I filter the other visualizations in my report view. As we saw earlier with the population table, there are several ways to configure a filter. These are called modes. Each filter has two or more modes. To switch between modes, use this arrow icon. Available filter options depend on the data type of the field being filtered. Numeric data has sliders, also called range mode, and advanced mode. Non-numeric data has list mode and advanced mode. To clear a filter, click this eraser icon. I can search in list mode by typing in the search box and then choosing to filter on it or not. And I can search in advanced mode as well. In my pie chart, I'll filter out ice hockey. Because this is a visualization level filter, ice hockey is filtered from the pie chart, but not from the matrix. And when I click the eraser icon, ice hockey reappears. Clicking the eraser clears the filter, it doesn't delete it. To delete a filter, click the X icon. You can't delete a field if it's in the visualization, you can only clear the filter. One last tip for working with filters. I can use wildcard characters in my searches. A question mark matches any single character. Here it matches all the country regions that have an R and an N and any other letter between the R and N. An asterisk matches any sequence of characters between the R and the N. Please visit office.com for more information.